Hello students, my name is Vaibhav Badkar, biology lecturer, and today's topic is environmental issues. First question, acid rain is caused by increase in the atmospheric concentration of acid rain. Okay, see, acid rain, when we speak of acid rain, okay, oxides of sulfur, say sulfur dioxide, it combines with rainwater to form sulfuric acid. Similarly, oxides of nitrogen, they combine with rainwater to form nitric acid. So sulfuric and nitric acid, they fall along with the rain and we call it as acid rain. So the correct answer is SO2 and NO2. Second one, eutrophication of water bodies leading to killing of fishes is mainly due to non-availability of, we know eutrophication, we call death of lake, okay, that is accumulation of organic matter due to enrichment of water, okay, that consumes maximum of essential mineral, food, light, and it is oxygen. Third one, the UN Conference of Parties on Climate Change in the year 2012 was held at Lima, Warsaw, Durban, Doha. Knowledge based question, and the answer is Doha. Coming to fourth question, which of the following are most suitable indicator of sulfur dioxide pollution in the environment? Algae, fungi, lichens, conifers. See, we know that lichens are considered as indicator of air pollution. Indicator of air pollution. Air pollution, because wherever air pollution is there, especially with respect to sulfur oxide, they will not grow on tree. If they are not present on the tree, that means there is pollution. Okay, so lichens are considered as indicator of air pollution. So the correct answer must be, in this case, which of the following are most suitable indicator is lichens. Coming to fifth one, increase in concentration of the toxicant at successive tropic level is known as, at each tropic level in the food chain is known as biotransformation, biogeochemical cycling, biomagnification, biodeterioration. Correct answer is biomagnification. The UN Conference of Parties on Climate Change in the year 2011 was held in, again knowledge based, Peru, Qatar, Poland, South Africa. 2011, South Africa. Moving on to question number 7. Which of the following is not one of the prime health risk associated with greater UV radiation through the atmosphere due to depletion of stratospheric ozone? See, not related to UV. Let us see. Damage in eyes related to UV. Increased skin cancer related to ultraviolet radiation. Reduced immune system related to UV radiation. Increased liver cancer is not related to this. So B is answer. Eighth one. High value of BOD, biochemical oxygen demand, indicates that, we know that what is BOD? The amount of oxygen required by microorganism to oxidize all the organic matter present in 1 liter of water. That means it says the amount of organic matter present in water, means the pollution level. Water is polluted, consumption of organic matter in the water is higher by the microbes. Water is pure, water is highly polluted. D is the correct answer. Then coming to ninth one, Rachel Carson's famous book Silent Spring is related. Okay, this is book actually, Silent Spring, it is related to Silent Spring. Silent Spring. Okay, it is related to, okay, the book is on different types of birds. Okay, birds when they get affected by pesticides, insecticides and pesticides, that affects calcium metabolism, calcium metabolism, and it affects shell of the egg. Okay, and that makes premature breaking of the egg before the bird hatch out. So the correct answer should be population explosion, ecosystem management, pesticide pollution. This is the correct answer.